Never have I encountered such an obstinate species. The orcs are victims of their nature, but these humans are willfully persistent and blind. How they survived is a joke the universe shares with no one, I'm afraid. But we can trust the humans to turn against us when the Titan is operational. That is why we must reach the Titan first with the Soul Stone. Only then can we hope to defeat the Necrons.
Their assertions mean nothing to me. I agreed to help them to keep them within reach and to aid us in destroying the enemy. I fully expect them to betray us at first opportunity.
Where's our fire support?
I die for the Emperor! Those damn tech priests!
It will only take me a moment.
Fast and hard. Those damn tech priests.
On my mark, charge! On my mark, charge!
Fire!
Go, go, go! Go, 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 go!
Learning to engage.
Understood. Let me lead the way.
Very well. We will
True
make use of
servant
this Imperial
never
Guard.
yields to doubt. Fear is naught. My faith is strong. Standing ready.
Their souls will be utterly destroyed!
I'm taking command of this structure.
If such is the Emperor's will.
That way lies victory. Fear is naught. My faith is strong. Understood.
The webway assembly must be relocated to within that primitive psychic defensive shield. We must make our way to the psychic gate.
To the enemy. Weapons fully charged.
The burden of leadership lies with us. Guardian Squad, we will fulfill our duty.
Falcon at your service. Just as Falcon brought Anaris to
I sense
Elvenesh,
the enemy. They are using it. This position is the most ideal location for our first relocation. It is secluded and secure from ground assault. First, we must eliminate the pathetic humans defending it. Then we will move the webway assembly.
Is your wish? We will fulfill our duty.
we are ready to deliver death to the enemy.
The enemy will heed our warnings
Falcon
or
at
they
your
will perish. It will be done. As you wish. We will bury
That's
it
it.
until it has
Hildar been a knife in my gut for too long. Time to teach them the meaning of Imperial cleansing.
are too few.
Command says that it's against the terms of the Alliance. Leave or I'll be forced to fire on you.
Doubt. Fear is naught. My faith is strong. A true servant never yields to doubt. Let me lead the way. It will be my honor. It will be my honor.
Execute your duty to serve.
That way lies victory. Face the Emperor's
Very
might.
well, we will make use of this superior path.
That way lies victory.
We won't let you down, son.
Understood.
Taking hits!
It will be my honor. Into the fray! Attack!
It's no good! We can't hold them! We've been overrun!
That way lies victory!
Time for payback!
Let us be on our way. Understood. I will do as you ask.
Awaiting instruction.
Flee! They're too much for us!
It will be my honor. Standing ready.
Executing your orders, son!
Very well.
Glory of the
We will
Imperium.
make use of this superior power.
Present and accounted for, son! Storm them! Present and accounted for, son! By the Emperor, you will have it! Flee! They're too much for us! By the Emperor, you will have it!
The transport is under heavy assault.
You heard the man!
Cleanse
Just
this
true.
chaos scum!
Retreat again and I'll shoot you, cowards! New call, son!
Standing ready.
On my mark, charge! Shall I get started?
Obedience without hesitation.
From the Emperor's mouth to my ears,
We
son.
are grateful for your assistance.
Eager for action, son. I shall see to it personally.
It
son.
will be my honor. Let me lead the way.
Sir, yes, sir. Shall I get started?
Very well. We will make use of this superior power.
It is the better course of action.
At your command.
We are shaped by fate just as we shape it.
I sense the enemy. They are closing
The
in.
burden of leadership lies with us.
My powers are yours now.
Weapons fully charged.
It will be done.
Just as Falcon brought Anaris to Eldenesh, we bring warriors to the front.
Command me to build.
I shall see to it personally, sir. Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2!
I will do as you ask.
Double time! From the Emperor's mouth to my ears, son.
I hold the secrets of it. I am honored that you require my skill.
I will do as you ask.
Falling men, it's time for war. I'd give my life if that's what's asked.
I hold
From the
the
Emperor's
secrets
mouth
of
to my ears, son. Anything for the Imperium. Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2! Anything for the Imperium.
My music will shape the Wraithbone. We are under enemy fire. Sings to me and I respond in kind.
Falcon, at your service.
It will be done.
The enemy cannot hide from my
The
sight.
burden of leadership lies with us. Our minds are at your service. We go. My music is a pillar upon which all
We are
worlds
ready
have
to
been
deliver
built.
death to the enemy.
You cannot ask for that which I give freely.
I am under attack!
Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2! Anything for the Imperium! Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2! obedience without hesitation. Fire control, initiate strafing run. That way lies victory. Understood. Fear is naught. All right, give me a moment. I'll get these doors open. I'd give my life if that's what asked. 2 arms! I shall see to it personally, sir.
As you wish, so shall
I will
it be
do
done.
as you ask.
What do we do?
Fire control,
Will only take me a
initiate
moment.
strafing run.
The machine spirits are weak. I
Hurry,
will take
get inside
care
before
of
they
it.
break through.
An easy matter for one of my
Payback.
An easy matter for one of my skills.
Chaos has come. Kill first. Man, kill first. From the Emperor's mouth to my ears, son.
I hear the machine spirit's voice. Will only
The
take me
transport
a
sustained
moment.
severe damage. We must hold this position while we assess the situation.
Standing ready.
I am honored that you require my skills. Will only take me a moment. Initiating construction.
Eager for action, son.
Hellhound here, at your service.
Double time! Anything for the Imperium! Incoming!
Will only take me a moment.
I will do as you ask. I will do as you ask.
The transport has sustained severe damage. We
Let
must
them
hold
attack.
this position while we
I
assess
will
the situation.
Hellhound here, at your service.
Shall I get started?
Forming at the edge of the
Will only take me a moment. I shall hurry.
We can handle anything you throw at us.
Spare none in your fury.
Damn tech freak. We're undroid, sir. As soon as we besiege the machine's spirit.
I am honored that you require my skills.
Shall I get started? Let me lead the way.
Emperor, protect me!
Orders received and understood.
I'm Present and taking accounted
Command
for,
of
sir.
this structure.
We can handle anything
The
you
hand
throw
of the
at us.
Emperor guides all.
These repairs may require some time.
From the Emperor's mouth to my ears, son.
I've returned. All units, prepare for my orders. Way. The hand of the Emperor guides all. All due speed then. All due speed then.
Following orders. Moving into position. Where's our fire support? You called, sir. Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2! Taking hits! Present and accounted for, sir. Present and accounted for, sir. Please, they're too much for us. You called, sir. Forming at the edge of my lord. Moving into position. You called, sir.
Thought they broke our backs.
Ha! I'd give my life if that's what's asked. Double time! I shall see to it first.
They're too much for us.
Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2! Double time! From the Emperor's mouth to my ears, son. Awaiting instruction.
Take me a moment.
Awaiting instructions. It's an honor to serve the Emperor. Eager for action, sir. On the double. Warming at the edge of my lord.
As you wish, so shall it be done.
Acknowledge, sir. Double time! Anything for the Imperium. From the Emperor's mouth to my ears, sir. Double time! On the double! Double time! Double time! I'd give my life if that's what's asked. Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2! Anything for the Imperium! From the Emperor's mouth to my ears, son. Acknowledge, sir.
I hold the secret. As you wish, so shall it be done. An easy matter for one of my skill. I am honored that you require my skills. I hear the machine spirit's voice.
I shall see to it personally, sir.
As you wish, so shall it be done. A challenge worthy of my skill. It will only take me.
Incoming! Sir, yes, sir. You heard the man. Jump to. Shall I get started? Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2.
Control machine
from
spirit
here.
for our safe arrival.
Standing by. Eager for action, sir.
I am on it.
Eager for action, sir. Double time! Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2. Shall I get started?
I am honored that you require my skills. It will only take me a moment.
Acknowledge, sir.
I am honored that you require my skills. As you wish, so shall it be done.
Eager for action, sir. Hustle up! 1, 2, 1, 2. On the double. Double time! Shall I get started? You called, sir. Let me lead the way. I will do as you ask. Double time! Is that the best you've got? I will do as you ask. I will do as you ask. Shall I get started? Let me lead the way. That way lies victory. Fear is naught. My faith is strong. I'd give my life if it was asked. I shall see to it personally, sir. Anything for the Imperium! Where's that artillery? It is my duty to serve. Take it at all costs! This is it, men! The moment of glory! Go, go! Go! Where's our fire support?
Let me lead the way. It will
It's no
be
good!
my honor.
We can't hold them!
Understood.
What are your orders? Sir, what do we do?
That way lies victory. Understood. Understood. A true servant never yields to doubt. Into the fray. Attack. Understood.
Very well.
Understood.
We will make use of the superior path.
A true servant never yields to doubt. The hand of the Emperor guides all.
Awaiting instructions. Acknowledge, sir. Let those damn tech priests.
As you wish, so shall it be done.
Awaiting instructions. We'll be off as soon
The
as
hand of the Emperor
Very
guides all.
well. We will make use of this superior path.
I am on it.
Ready to transport our men.
I am on it. As you wish, so shall it be done.
This is General Stern of the Cadian 412th Regiment Imperial Guard. Only fools believe that the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Still, the Eldar proved useful enough to bring my men into position, admittedly at cost to their own lives. They lay outside, being cut to the last as I speak. I cannot risk helping them. I will not trade the lives of my men for theirs.
You will fail this day, General. Without our soul stone, the battle will be lost. The Necrons will sweep over you and drink your life out from the hollow vessel of your corpse. Without us, you face your doom.
Although the golden throne of Terra orbits a distant star, far from here, the Emperor's hand is on your shoulders today. You have fought and displayed bravery and loyalty far and above your calling as guardsmen. You have faced the full brunt of an orc war, as well as stared down the horrors of the warp in the fallen Space Marines. And in that, I am honored to have led you. Our task remains, however. There is still work to be done. The Titan is ours, but its machine spirit is injured. The Titan crew is in place, leaving us to defend the Titan while the crew brings its armaments online. For that, we need energy to power the weapon systems. Now go! The fight is far from over!
We'll be in and out like lightning.
We must build thermoplasma generators if we hope to
As
power
you
the
wish,
Titan.
so shall
The
it be
Chaos
done.
Legion and the Orcs will be here any minute, and our defenses won't hold.
challenge
Establish
worthy
a
of my
stronger
skill.
perimeter
My
near those
skill.
generator sites. They have to
Initiating
survive.
construction.
By the Emperor it shall be so.
Heresy grows from idleness.
Your wise counsel belies your years.
Eager for action, sir. Take the objective. Shall I get started? Long if I wish to serve under
Hand
you,
of
sir.
the Emperor guides all.
It's ours, but best we remain on our toes.
Objective achieved.
Long if I wish to serve under you, sir.
As you wish, so shall it be
Objective
done.
secured. What now?
The machine spirits are willing. I'll take care of it, Lord. I'll take care of it, Lord. I shall hurry.
Yes, my lord. Onward to glory!
It will only take me a moment. Initiating
Where's our fire
Sandworth.
support? Eager for action, sir.
Your wise counsel belies your years.
There's too many of them!
We stand ready. Fear denies faith.
I am on it. I'll take care of it, Lord. Initiating construction.
Faith is purest when it is unquestioning.
Reporting for duty, sir.
What's your order?
Hellhound here.
Standing ready.
We're under fire!
I accept
Reporting for duty, sir.
Ever vigilant.
Reporting for duty, sir.
We stand ready.
Warming up the engine mode. Warming up the engine mode. We'll be off as soon as the fuel arrives.
Reporting for duty, sir.
It will only take me a moment.
It's ours, but best we remain on our toes.
I hear the machine spirit's voice.
difficult.
The enemy is attacking.
But it shall be done.
It will be my
As you
honor.
wish, so shall it be done. Initiating construction. I hold the secrets of the machine. I am on it. The machine spirits are willing. Initiating construction.
It will be my honor.
Executing your orders, sir!
A thermoplasma generator is online and powering the Titan. Good work.
What are your orders? Sir, yes, sir!
It will only take me a moment. A challenge worthy of my skill.
Is that the best you've got? Objective secured. What now? By the Emperor, we've
I'll
won.
take care of it, Lord. Initiating construction.
By the Emperor it shall be so.
That Mars Pattern Command Facility is under heavy assault. Defend it. Protect it with your lives. If we can repair it, we can requisition a Bane Blade, and all will tremble at its wrath.
It will be my honor.
For the glory of the Imperium. Where's our fire support? Eager for action, sir.
General, the Titan sensors are functioning, but they're reporting anomalous signals and unusual xeno-energy readings.
What? So the Eldar was telling the truth. Rally the troops! If we're to hold off these vile, heartless Necrons, we will need every man!
Emperor be with us.
Look out! Here they come!
Under fire!
We've been overrun! Sir, what do we do? We've been overrun!
We're hot and fried, sir.
I hear the machine spirit's voice. As you wish, so shall it be done. A challenge worthy of my skill. I shall hurry. I
The
hear
hand
the
of the
machine
Emperor
spirit's
guides
voice.
all.
The machine spirits are willing.
You call that a wound? Men?
Initiating
to me!
construction.
Your wise counsel belies your ears.
We stand ready.
I accept the challenge. May you lead us to victory. Only in war are we truly faithful.
Power is dropping. One of the thermoplasma generators has been destroyed.
I am on it.
Fall back and regroup!
Sir, yes, sir. Looks like everything's in order, sir.
As you wish, so shall it be done.
I shall continue to fight.
Received and understood.
Fear is naught. My faith is strong.
General, the Titan's weapons are online.
Finally! Now we show these Necrons the might of Terra! Titan gunnery crew, fire on those monoliths and bring them down! All guardsman units, drive the Necrons back! Give them hell! Drive them back!
Seeing through my veins. It will take more than a mere mortal to kill me.
Well done! So falls a monolith! Men, another monolith brought to ruin! Where's that artillery? Well done! So falls a monolith! Won't let you down, son. We're under fire! Keep the pace, men! Another monolith brought to ruin! Taking hits!
The Titan's excavation crew is landing along with reinforcements. If I were a suspicious man, I'd call their timing too good.
I told them to hold off until we bested the Necrons. There was no reason to lead more into the slaughter without the Titan's weapons operational.
Indeed, it is a day to be proud, General. Your men perform better than any guardsman unit I've encountered.
Thank you, but our work is not yet done. There are still pockets of orc resistance across Lorne 5. We must protect the repair crews while they nurse the Titan back to health.
Still, it was an honor to fight alongside you. Barring my space marines, I could not have asked for better.
To each of us falls a task, and all the Emperor requires of us guardsmen is that we stand the line, and we die fighting. It is what we do best. We die standing.